Sea-Doo is gearing up for a revised Spark. The Spark and consequently the Spark X have a very high likelihood of reformatting the X series watercraft, and that would be the RXTX, RXPX, and the potential return of the GTRX, and that would be a 230. So, and that's what Sea-Doo's teasing about when they go, "Oh, it's the new in August. Check out what the new, the new RXPX is going to be." Well, it's going to be a handling package. It's going to be sponsons. It's going to be an intake rate, and it's probably going to be a high flow air intake or a different impeller pitch. It's not going to be faster. It's not going to have more horsepower. It might be quicker. Might have slightly better acceleration. But apart from that, my understanding is that it's going to be a optional handling package. All that being said, new Spark. Why is the new Spark incredibly timely? Because we are experiencing the exact same economic trouble that we did when the Spark first showed up in 2013. It was a 2014 model. But 9 years later, here we are again, not learning from our mistakes from 9 years ago.
Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.